Welcome back, my dear student in the social science class. Today, in this video, we are going to start our next chapter, that is chapter 5, Devotional Path to Divine. Introduction. The 7th to 19th century saw the emergence of new religious movement that led to by Nierner and Alvars. In the 7th to 19th century, means 600 to the 800, there were some new ideas of religious belief started, and Hindus and Muslims came in close contact to each other. As a natural result, Sufism among the Muslims and the Bhakti movement among the Hindus, these new religious beliefs were started. How they started this movement, why they started, let us study in this chapter. Let's start with the difficult words. First one is Almighty. Almighty, having the power to do anything. Almighty means the supreme God who has the power to do any work in this world. Pioneer, a person who is one of the first to develop anything. Any person who start any work, first all of them. Sect, substitution. Rituals, a set of actions performed in regular way. Ritual means whatever the actions that we perform regularly. For example, we start our day from pray to God. That our regular action, that is known as rituals. Propagated means to spread beliefs. Rigid, hard means that cannot be changed. Dominant means having superior strength. And Pir, the religious teacher of Sufi. Religious, as in Hindu religion we have the Guru. Similarly, in the Muslim religions they have the religious teacher, that is called Sufi. Let's start this chapter. Before the large kingdom emerged, different groups of people worship their own god and goddesses. Means the large kingdom emerged. Firstly, there are small kingdoms in India that is spread all over the India, and they group of people worship their own god and goddesses. Some people also worship nature and they have their different gods. Like some people worship Shivji, some people worship Vishnu, etc. But the 7th to 9th century, they saw the emergence of new religious movement led by Nierners and Alvars. But in the 7th to 19th century, 7 means after the 600 to 900, there was emergence of new religious movement that led by Nierners and Alvars. Why they start this movement? Before the emergence of new kingdom, they have their own goddess and god. They people worship them. But when they started the new trades, new empires, and new towns are established, the people came to contact with each other, and they began to start or develop new ideas. And firstly, the people will believe in the cycle of birth according to their good deeds and bad deeds. If they have the bad deeds, they have to indulge in the cycle of birth. But they performing good deeds, means they are doing the good work on the earth. They are free from the cycle of birth and death. And secondly, all human beings are not equal at the birth. These are the ideas at that time. But people were not feeling easy in these ideas. Why the people are not equal? They believe that all are equal by birth. There should be no differences, no discrimination. So the pupils are try to shift from the religion, their own religion, to the teachings of Buddhas and Jain. But some people believe that there is the idea of the Supreme God, and we can get the Supreme God, means the supreme God who has the power to do anything on the earth. There should be no discrimination or caste, color, etc. That God is one, and we can approach to that God with devotion or bhakti. So these ideas start emerging during the 7th and 19th century, and they led by the Nayars and Alvars. Who were the Nayars? Nayars were the people who are devoted to Shiva, and Alvars are devoted to Vishnu. Means they do the worship of Vishnu, and Nayars do the worship of Shiva. And they believe that there should be no discrimination on the basis of caste. No one considered untouchable. All the people have to follow the path to salvation. Salvation means free from the cycle of life and death. Salvation means free from the cycle of birth and death. And interaction between the Hinduism and the Islam brought about many changes, and it gave rise to the new movement, that is Sufi movement and the Bhakti movement. The main sant of Bhakti movement were Ramanuj, Kabir, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Guru Nanak Dev, Mirabai. And the main sant of Sufi movements were Mainuddin Chishti and Nizamuddin Aulia. What were the work they have done, that we study in the next video. I hope all of you understand about this. Thank you. Have a nice day.